Hi everyone, आज का टॉपिक ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन ड्यू टू नेगेटिव रोल ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी पर है। सो इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल कम टू नो कि कैसे ह्यूमन राइट्स are come under the threats due to the result of development in science and technology. Both science and technology are the subject that bring development as well as drawbacks in the society that concerns threat to human rights resulting from the development in science and technology which expressed in the early days of the UN. Along with the recognition of the ambitious human right of everyone to enjoy the benefits of scientific progress and its application, many threats to human rights from advances in science and technology identified and observed and become real today, such as invasion of privacy from electronic recording, access to medicines, deprivation of health, livelihood as a result of climate change, or control over individual autonomy through advances in genetics and neuroscience. न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी से अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी मिली as to protect and secure human rights. Satellite and other imaginary sources are increasingly being used to monitor and uncover gross human rights violation. Now we can have the evidence of human rights violation through science and technology, which make as an evidence in bringing perpetrators to justice. On an individual level, documentation and sharing can quickly bring widespread attention to particular issues and abuses. Technology enables the organization and mobilization of citizens and activists seeking to secure their rights. Like all technologies, there are risks with science and technology too. It poses danger to the rights, to human society, human body, human environment by the use of new technologies themselves. The problem of surveillance and monitoring, which are not new, are exacerbated by technological innovation. Human rights are particularly affected by scientific and technological progress. They are as follows. UDHR में ये कुछ human rights थे, as well as in according to Indian Constitution, it affects the right to life. Article 3, it is in UDHR, and right to life in Article 21 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. साइंस की वजह से बायोलॉजी और मेडिसिन में जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ, एज वेल एज टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से जो जीन टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यूक्लियर टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप्ड हुई, इट डिटरमाइन इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन बर्थ एंड डेथ बोथ. बिकॉज ड्यू टू दोज टेक्नोलॉजीज, ड्यू टू दोज साइंस, बायोलॉजी, मेडिसिन्स, there is a control of birth and death occurred. Abortion posed out, IVF encouraged, embryo transplantation is practicing, euthanasia techniques used, untested drugs are the examples which threats the right to life due to the science and technology. The right to physical and spiritual integrity. Use of drugs और जो other chemicals हैं, they are being used for the mind, for the psychological and physical testing method used for the therapy or for other uses. So the right to physical and spiritual integrity also exploited by the science and technology development. The right to privacy. Article 21, which says that there should be no interference with privacy, family, home and other family decisions by the honor and reputation will not be affected by the interference. But the development in recording devices, all these techniques is used and change the way in which privacy could be protected. Now, wherever the person is posting and also discussing their own home and related to family issues on the internet, this hinders in the right to privacy also. The right to freedom of opinion and expression and the right to information, Article 19. As we know कि इंटरनेट से हमें बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है to express individual exercise the right to freedom of opinion and expression through communication and exchange of ideas. More than 3 billion people now use the internet. Whosoever want to express any views, anything or any claim on any comment, they can use through the internet or social platforms. But around the world, the internet shut down more than 50 times in 2016 according to the UN, suppressing elections, showing Slowing economics and limiting free speech has been showed out as the right to freedom of opinion and expression violated by the government through this procedure. Automation and the right to fair and decent work. इंटेलिजेंस जो अब ऑटोमेटिक इंटेलिजेंस यूज हो रहा है एंड द automation is disrupting the global jobs market and significantly impacting the right to fair and decent works. So 85% of all customer interactions will be handled without a human agent. Now we can see we usually these days we are having computer agent. Whatever the queries, problem we have to talk of ours regarding to the problem or issues. So now we have a chat box, a self-services technologies introduced. These are the drawbacks for the job for the people who has the opportunity to work in these fields now has been substituted by the computer agent. Scientific and technological progress that influence human rights are these: key right to property, as development of new forms of property such as software have given rise to new thinking about the right to property, right to work. जिस तरीके से टेक्नोलॉजी में डेवलपमेंट आया है तो वो मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर को भी चेंज कैन अफेक्टिंग द राइट टू वर्क. इट प्रोवाइड more employment, the right to standard of living, adequate for the health, well-being. All these are the social services that has been introduced. The right to education, as these days online teaching, online platforms introduced in order to have a knowledge by being at their own comfort zone, and this also caused discrimination in education as rural areas students are not capable or not able to have the knowledge through these platforms. So discrimination also created among those two categories of the students, rural and urban. The right to freely participate in the cultural life and its benefits. So the freedom of expression, right to information and education, this right can be promoted thanks to a better communication technology. Scientific और technological progress के दोनों negative और positive impacts हुए हैं human rights पे, and this effect depend on the right to information, expression and technological progress के जो भी produces conditions favorable हैं, that cultural indoctrination and the right to information, all other conditions that conducive to a better respect of human rights. The international norms developed to cope with the human rights problems, and this crucial dimension, the right to information, freedom of expression, which inevitably intervenes when dealing with these problems. Threat to human rights from science and technology being observed in the 1940s, the misuse of science through the 1990s, several issues that occupy the front pages today. International conference हुआ था human rights 1968 में, that adopted the proclamation of Tehran predicting that कि जो scientific discoveries और technological advances हैं, they have opened vast prospect for economic, social and cultural progress. Such development may nevertheless endanger the rights and freedom of individual and will require continuing attention. UN also follow up the resolution by the General Assembly कि जो recent scientific discoveries हैं और technological advances हुए हैं endanger the rights and freedom of individual, and requested कि 4 issues पे concern रहे कि जो human rights हैं जो arise हुए हैं due to the concern of the science and technological advancement, that की respect for privacy, protection of physical and intellectual integrity, limits on the use of electronics to protect the rights of individual, general the balance that should be established between scientific and technological progress and the intellectual, spiritual, cultural and moral advancements of humanity. फाइनल रिपोर्ट इशू हुई थी एट द एंड ऑफ दिसंबर 1917 जो कवर करती थी ये सारे ऑल इश्यूज. 5 years लेटर डिक्लेरेशन ऑन द यूज ऑफ साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस मैनकाइंड वाज अडॉप्टेड कि जो साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल अचीवमेंट हैं दैट कैन बी यूज्ड टू डिप्राइव इंडिविजुअल्स एंड पीपल ऑफ द ह्यूमन राइट्स एंड फंडामेंटल फ्रीडम्स, एंड कॉलिंग ऑन स्टेट्स कि ये दे शुड टेक preventive measures to use of scientific and technological development, particularly by the state organs, to limit or interfere with the enjoyment of the human rights and fundamental freedoms of the individual. Almost 2 decades later, World Conference on Human Rights 1993 में that was adopted the Vienna Declaration and Program of Action, which noted कि जो certain advances हुए हैं in the biomedical and life sciences as well as in information technology may have potentially adverse consequences for the integrity, dignity, and human rights of the individual, that call for international cooperation to ensure that human rights and dignity are fully respected in the area of universal concern. ये जो concerns say United Nations के regarding the negative impact that certain aspects of science and technology have on human rights anticipate many urgent issues we face today. वर्ल्ड कॉन्फ्रेंस एक्सप्रेस की जो साइंटिफिक प्रोग्रेशन हुआ जेनोमिक्स, रोबोटिक्स, न्यूरोसाइंस और रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ टेक्नोलॉजी में एंड द फील्ड्स ऑफ बायोमेडिसिन एंड द लाइफ ऑफ साइंसेस, दैट की nowadays आर्टिफिशियल इनोवेशन हो गया है, IVF, parthenogenesis, choices of sex of offspring को encourage किया जा रहा है, creation of human beings by an asexual process called cloning also get encouraged in the society, manipulation of the DNA molecule, and genetic surgery has been going on, the improvement bio procedures adopted before birth of the future intelligence of child and the creation of part, these all are increase, and this becomes the violation of the human right. This actually causes the violation of human right because it is easy but dangerous to dismiss all of these possibilities as science fiction. जितना एडवांसमेंट साइंस फील्ड में हुआ है टू रेज द कॉम्प्लेक्स चैलेंजेस फॉर ह्यूमन राइट्स टुडे विच कैन ओनली बी एड्रेस विद द कॉपरेशन ऑफ मेडिकल स्पेशलिस्ट, जेनेटिक्स एंड ऑल दीज, क्योंकि अगर इन चीज़ों के प्रोसीजर में कोई भी मिस्टेक हुआ इट कैन नॉट बी रिक्यूर्ड. Technologies that pollute and contribute to climate change are harmful to the rights to health, of course, right to health, right to water, ये सारी rights को भी exploit और violation होता है through the technologies that contribute to the climate change, and that climate change related impact have a range of implication, both direct and indirect, for the effective enjoyment of human rights. That all the rights which include in this effectiveness are the right to life, right to educate, health, highest attainable standard of health, adequate housing, self-determination. All these are the rights which got affected by these technologies and scientific progression. And recalling that in no case may a people be deprived of its own means of subsistence, and enhance opportunities for right-based policy and actual interventions. साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग एथिक्स हुई ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी पे, जो एक गुड बिगनिंग हुई फॉर ह्यूमन राइट्स बिकॉज थ्रू दैट दे फॉलो सम एथिक्स विच नॉट वायलेट द ह्यूमन राइट्स. So this was all about the violation of human right due to the negative role of science and technology. Thank you so much for watching this video.